A few weeks ago, we witnessed BMW and Mercedes getting into deals with humanoid robots, specifically Figures 01 and Apollo from Aptronic. Now a new chapter unfolds as Sanctuary AI delivers its advanced humanoid robot, Phoenix, to a Magna manufacturing facility. This collaboration marks a significant milestone in the integration of humanoid robots into the complex world of car assembly and production. Magna, a leader in the automotive industry with facilities in Austria, is known for assembling vehicles for prestigious brands such as Mercedes, Jaguar, and BMW. The introduction of Phoenix into Magna's operations is not just about robotic assistance, it's a strategic move to enhance efficiency and innovation. While the exact number of robots and the specifics of their deployment remain under wraps, the anticipation is quite amazing. This deal echoes the industry's broader trend, where humanoid robots are becoming increasingly prevalent. For instance, Figure and Aptronic are piloting their humanoid systems with BMW and Mercedes, respectively. These collaborations signify a shift towards a more automated and precise manufacturing process. The investment by Magna in Sanctuary AI back in 2021 was a prescient move, aligning with the visionaries like Elon Musk, who announced plans for a humanoid robot named Optimus to work in Tesla factories. Sanctuary AI's Phoenix stands out with its human-like stature of 5 feet 7 inches and a weight of 155 pounds, boasting the first of its kind to walk on legs, despite most videos showcasing only its torso. The focus on creating dexterous hands for Phoenix is not just a technical feat but a strategic one, aiming to extend the robot's capabilities beyond simple tasks to more intricate operations. This pilot project is described as a multidisciplinary assessment aimed at improving the cost-effectiveness and scalability of robots, leveraging Magna's vast automotive expertise. But why are car manufacturers so keen on adopting humanoid robots? The answer lies in the relentless pursuit of perfection. Humanoid robots bring unparalleled precision, consistency, and tirelessness to the assembly line. They can work in environments that are challenging or hazardous to humans, perform repetitive tasks without fatigue, and maintain the same level of quality throughout. And if you are a person who is wondering why these companies are going for humanoid robots and not robot dogs, here's the thing: humanoid robots can kind of do it all. They're bipedal, so they can navigate factory floors designed for humans. They have dexterous hands, which means they can handle a wider range of tasks than just moving heavy objects. Moreover, the integration of humanoid robots like Walker S of Uptech with Neo EV carmaker further illustrates the industry's commitment to cutting-edge technology. These robots are not just tools, they are becoming integral components of the manufacturing ecosystem, reshaping the way cars are built. The details of this pilot program are scarce. We don't know how many robots or for how long. But one thing is clear: car manufacturers are seeing the potential of humanoid robots to revolutionize their assembly lines. With their versatility and ability to mimic human movement, these robots could take on a wide range of tasks, increasing efficiency and productivity. Click here to watch my latest video on the top 3 AI humanoid robots that can fold clothes as of April 2024. Folding clothes can be seen as an easy task for a humanoid robot, but it is not as easy as you think. It is a difficult thing to achieve in robotics, and these robots have been able to do it with ease and finesse.